Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Commerce Student. Today we will be discussing a very fundamental topic in accounting, that is process of accounting. We will explore all the steps involved in this process. Now let's get started. Accounting, being a language of business, performs a basic function, that is to serve as a means of communication. And what it communicates is the information of business arising out of day-to-day business operations. These business operations result while performing financial transactions relating to sales, purchases, payments, receipts, etc. Therefore, as an information system, accounting has to go through a series of steps which act as building blocks to grasp the business information from all these transactions and later transfer it to interested users. Let us magnify this concept using steps involved in accounting process. The first step in the accounting process is the identification of transactions and events. Accounting is all about recognizing the financial activities of a specific entity. Transactions involve exchanges where each party gives or receives value, like purchasing raw materials for cash. Events, whether internal or external, have consequences for the entity, such as using raw materials for production process. And then we have entity. An entity refers to an economic unit engaged in economic activities with a purpose of profit generation. Once transactions and events are identified, accounting proceeds to measure them using a common unit of measurement, typically the currency of the country. In India, these transactions and events are measured in rupees before they are recorded. The third step is recording. This is the backbone of accounting and a core function. It ensures that all financial transactions are not only recorded but also maintaining an order and supported with some documentary proof like vouchers, etc. So we have got some transactions here occurring on different dates, and let's record these in next slide. Recording takes place in a book called journal. As we can see how the transactions in previous slide are now recorded in journal in an order of occurrence. Moreover, journal can be further divided into various subsidiary books like cash book for all cash transactions, purchases journal for credit purchases of goods, sales journal for credit sales of goods, etc. Next comes classifying, which involves grouping recorded transactions of a similar type in one place. This is done using ledger where different accounts are opened and related transactions are posted in one place. For example, all cash or credit purchases of goods on different dates are brought together in the purchases account. Summarizing is the fifth step. It presents the classified data in a way that's understandable and useful to accounting users. This step leads to the preparation of statements like the schedule of sundry debtors and creditors, trial balance, income statement or profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Analyzing is the sixth step where relationships between various items or groups of items taken from the profit and loss account or balance sheet are established. For example, we might establish the relationship between net profit and capital employed. The goal is simple, that is to identify the financial strengths and weaknesses of business. Interpreting is the seventh step, which involves explaining the meaning and importance of the relationships established during analysis. Nowadays, the first six steps are often performed by electronic data processing devices, leaving accountants to focus mainly on interpretation. They should interpret statements in a way that helps users make rational decisions. The final step is communicating the accounting information summarized, analyzed, and interpreted needs to be presented in a proper forum to the right people. This is achieved through the preparation and distribution of accounting reports like income statements, balance sheets, accounting ratios, graphs, diagrams, etc. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with others, and please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon to get notified for future updates. Until next time, keep learning and growing. See you in next video.